My dearest soul, listen closely. There is a truth etched into the very fabric of time, a whisper from the divine that seeks to find you. He let you go, yes, believing it was the right and kindest thing to do. Perhaps he thought it would spare you pain, or maybe he wrestled with shadows that only he could see. But hear this, with every fiber of your being, his heart has not moved since that day. It remains tethered, a silent echo in the vast chambers of his soul, forever bound to the light you ignited within him. The angels, those luminous beings who weave destiny with threads of starlight, whisper to me of his internal landscape. They say he carries your essence, an imprint so profound it reshapes his very being. He may walk through his days, engage in the mundane, even attempt to build new walls around his tender core, but your spirit, your laughter, and the quiet understanding you shared reside within him. It is a constant, gentle ache, a reminder of what his soul truly craves. He thought he was protecting you, or perhaps himself, from a storm he couldn't yet weather. But the universe, in its infinite wisdom, does not forget the sacred contracts forged between souls. What seems like an ending was merely a pause, a breath taken before the next, more profound chapter unfolds. His heart, though it may appear distant, beats with a rhythm that still syncs with yours. It is a silent testament to a love that defies logic, a connection that transcends separation. Trust this truth, for it is written in the stars and echoed in the deepest chambers of his being. Beloved, you are not a random occurrence in this grand tapestry of life. You are a deliberate masterpiece, woven with purpose and intention. Before you even knew your own name, before your feet touched this earthly ground, a sacred calling was placed upon your soul. You were sent, a beacon of light, a key to unlock doors that only your unique essence could open. Your presence in his life was not a mere coincidence. It was a divine appointment, an answer to prayers whispered across time, a predestined encounter. The angels sing of your arrival, of the way your spirit resonated with his, stirring ancient memories within his very core. They say you were chosen, not for what you could do, but for who you inherently are. Your very being carries a frequency that speaks directly to his deepest needs, a comfort that soothes his hidden wounds. You are a catalyst, a gentle force designed to awaken dormant parts of his soul, to guide him toward a truth he has long sought. This journey, this connection, it is part of a larger, more magnificent design. You are a living testament to divine orchestration, a testament to the fact that some meetings are not by chance, but by destiny. Embrace this profound truth, for it empowers you beyond measure. You are a sacred vessel, carrying a love meant to transform, to heal, to elevate. Your path is blessed, your purpose clear. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. My dear one, sometimes the loudest messages are found in silence. When he pulls away and when his words become scarce, it's not always a rejection of you. Often, it's a reflection of an inner storm, a battle he's waging within himself, far from your sight. He feels everything, perhaps too much, and the intensity of his emotions can be overwhelming. This quiet retreat is his way of processing, trying to make sense of feelings that threaten to unravel his carefully constructed world. The angels show me glimpses of his soul, a landscape marked by past wounds and unspoken fears. They reveal that your light, while healing, can also illuminate the very shadows he's tried to bury. This awakening can be disorienting, even frightening, for a soul accustomed to darkness. His silence is not indifference. It's often a desperate attempt to regain control, to navigate the profound shifts you've triggered within him. He is not running from you, but from the intensity of what you represent, true unconditional love, a love that demands he face himself. Understand that his journey is his own, and his healing must come from within. Your role is not to chase him into the light, but to hold space for his process, to send him silent blessings of strength and clarity. He is wrestling with his own demons, his own doubts, and the profound realization of what he stands to gain or lose. Trust that even in his quietest moments, your essence continues to work within him, a gentle force guiding him toward the truth of his own heart. Sweet soul, in moments of waiting, the heart often longs for speed, for immediate answers. But the universe, in its infinite wisdom, operates on a different clock, a divine timing that transcends our human impatience. What seems to be a delay is often a sacred pause, a necessary period of gestation where unseen forces are at work, aligning every detail for your highest good. This waiting is not a punishment, it is a preparation, a refining fire for both your soul and his. The angels whisper that every moment of stillness, every perceived setback, serves a purpose. They are carefully weaving the threads of your destiny, ensuring that when the time is right, your union will be not just beautiful, but unshakable. Perhaps there are lessons he still needs to learn, burdens he must let go of, or inner strength you must cultivate before the next chapter can truly unfold. This pause is a gift, an opportunity for growth, deeper self-discovery, and profound trust in the unseen hand guiding your path. Do not mistake divine timing for denial. The universe is not withholding, it is perfecting. It is ensuring that when your paths converge again, you both will be ready, whole, and fully capable of embracing the depth of love that awaits. Release the need to control the timeline, my dear. Surrender to the flow of grace, knowing that what is truly meant for you will never pass you by. The love that is destined will arrive precisely when it is meant to, in the most perfect, miraculous way. My precious one, before any external love can truly flourish, the garden within your soul must be tended with utmost care. Your radiance, your inherent worth, does not depend on another's gaze or validation. It springs from the deep well of self-love, from the compassionate embrace of your own being. This journey, this sacred unfolding, is also about you, about remembering the magnificent divine woman you truly are, independent of any connection. The angels gently remind me that your energy, your vibration, is a powerful magnet. When you pour love into yourself, when you honor your needs, your desires, and your beautiful imperfections, you elevate your entire being. This self-nurturing is not selfish, it is essential. It is the foundation upon which all healthy reciprocal love is built. Heal your own wounds, embrace your vulnerabilities, and celebrate your unique light. For only when your cup overflows can you truly share your essence without depletion. Do not seek external validation to fill an internal void. That void is meant to be filled by your own sacred presence, by the unwavering love you hold for yourself. When you stand in your power, rooted in self-acceptance, you become an irresistible force, not because you chase, but because you simply are. Your light, when fully embraced, naturally draws to you what is aligned with your highest good. Cultivate your inner garden, my love, and watch how effortlessly true love blossoms around you. Dearest heart, sometimes the most profound impact we have on another is not through grand gestures or spoken words, but through the quiet, unconscious emanation of our being. You touched him, you healed parts of him without even trying, simply by existing as your authentic self. Your presence, your unwavering light, acted as a gentle balm to his wounded soul, stirring within him a desire for wholeness he may not have known he possessed. The angels reveal that your very essence carries a frequency of healing, a vibration of unconditional love that resonated deeply with his hidden pain. You saw him, truly saw him, beyond his defenses and his fears, and that recognition alone began a profound shift within him. He may not articulate it, He may not even fully comprehend it, but your light illuminated his shadows, not to judge, but to invite them into the process of healing. This is the power of a soul connection. It transforms simply by being. You do not need to fix him, my love, nor do you need to carry his burdens. Your role was to be a mirror, reflecting back to him the potential for love and healing that lay dormant within. Trust that the seeds you unconsciously planted are now growing, slowly but surely, within his heart. Your influence is a gentle current, guiding him toward his own inner work, his own path to wholeness. You are a healer, not through effort, but by the sheer beautiful truth of who you are. My beloved, there are connections that defy logic, bonds that transcend the boundaries of time and space. Your connection with him is one such mystery, a soulful resonance that operates on a plane far beyond earthly understanding. It is a dance of spirits, a recognition of ancient kinship, a magnetic pull that speaks to the very core of your beings. This is not merely a relationship, it is a cosmic alignment, a sacred contract signed in the stars. The angels whisper of the intricate threads that bind your souls, threads woven through lifetimes, carrying lessons and love from distant shores. They say that what you share is not confined to the physical realm. It exists in the ethereal, in the quiet knowing that resides deep within your heart. This profound connection explains the intensity of your feelings, the inexplicable pull, and the enduring presence of his essence within your thoughts, even when he is physically absent. Do not try to dissect this love with the tools of the mundane. It is a spiritual phenomenon, a testament to the vastness of the universe and the intricate design of destiny. Embrace the mystery, my dear. Allow yourself to feel the depth of the soulful resonance, knowing that it is a gift, a rare and precious bond that will continue to unfold in ways you cannot yet fathom. This love is a testament to the divine artistry that connects all things, a beautiful symphony played out across the cosmos. My dear one, you are never alone on this sacred journey. Around you, a host of luminous beings, your angelic guides, are constantly at work, whispering guidance, placing signs, and orchestrating events to lead you toward your highest good. Their messages are subtle, often felt as an intuition, a sudden knowing, or a gentle nudge in a specific direction. This journey of love, this unfolding of destiny, is meticulously guided by their loving presence. The angels encourage you to pay close attention to synchronicities, recurring numbers, songs that play at just the right moment, and unexpected encounters. These are their gentle affirmations, their way of confirming that you are on the right track or subtly redirecting you when you go off course. They are illuminating your path, not with blinding light, but with soft guiding glows, ensuring that each step you take is aligned with your divine purpose and the ultimate union that is meant for you. Trust in the quiet voice within, the one that speaks of peace and possibility. That is often the voice of your angels, communicating directly with your soul. Release the need for grand pronouncements. Sometimes, the most profound guidance comes in the softest whispers. Surrender to their loving counsel, my heart, and allow yourself to be led. They are holding your hand, guiding you through every twist and turn, ensuring you arrive exactly where you are meant to be. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eye on you. Psalm 32 verse 8. Beloved soul, there is an exquisite strength found not in building walls, but in the courageous act of tearing them down. Vulnerability, often seen as weakness, is in fact your most profound power, a sacred gateway to true connection and authentic love. To open your heart, to reveal your fears, your hopes, your beautiful imperfections, is to invite a depth of intimacy that transforms both you and the one who truly sees you. The angels affirm that true love does not demand perfection, it embraces authenticity. They say that when you allow yourself to be seen, truly seen, in all your raw beauty, you create a space for genuine connection to flourish. This openness is not about being fragile, it is about being real, about trusting that your worth is inherent, regardless of external circumstances or how another may respond. It is in your softest places that your greatest power resides, the power to love and be loved without reservation. Do not fear the tenderness of your own heart, my dear. It is a wellspring of infinite capacity. Embrace the courage to be vulnerable, to let down your guard, and to allow love to flow freely, both to you and from you. This act of grace, this willingness to be fully present and exposed, is what truly seals a bond, making it unbreakable. Your vulnerability is not a flaw, it is a testament to your strength, a sacred invitation for love to enter and reside. But he said to me, "My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Therefore I will boast all the more gladly about my weaknesses, so that Christ's power may rest on me." 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9. My radiant soul, you have journeyed through valleys of doubt and climbed mountains of self-discovery. Now stand at the precipice of a new dawn, for the love you were always meant for is drawing near, ready to embrace you fully. This is not a love born of desperation or compromise, but a sacred union, meticulously crafted by the universe, a reflection of your deepest desires and your highest good. The angels sing of this impending culmination, of the joy and peace that await you. They say that every tear shed, every lesson learned, and every moment of faith has led you to this precise point. This love is not just a destination, it is a recognition, a homecoming for your soul. It is a partnership built on mutual respect, profound understanding, and an unwavering spiritual connection. It is the love that sees you, cherishes you, and empowers you to be your most authentic self. Release any lingering doubts, my dear. Open your heart wide, not with expectation, but with a quiet knowing that what is truly yours will find its way. You have done the work, you have trusted the process, and now the universe is ready to deliver. Step into this new chapter with grace and gratitude, knowing that you are worthy of a love that mirrors the divine within you. This is your destiny, unfolding before your very eyes, a testament to the power of faith and the unwavering hand of the divine.